Hello, I'm Lee.
And I'm Wally.
And this is Summer. And we are Three for the Road RV. This is Sacred Sabbath Day. Hello, roadies. Welcome to another Sacred Sabbath Day. And I'm hoping that you won't be able to hear all the wind that's blowing around me. I did a test and it seemed to be okay. But it was such a beautiful day today that I wanted to be out in it and to enjoy nature before the cold really sets in. And so here I am at a local city park just enjoying the views, and wanted to discuss with you some concerns that I have had and frustrations that I have about people accusing us, members of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, as not being Christians. And it really kind of annoys me because it really says in the name of our church, the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, that we do believe in Jesus Christ. And since we believe in Jesus Christ, we are Christians. And just because we use the Book of Mormon along with the Bible, we are accused of not following the true teachings of Christ. However, we believe as our religion that the Book of Mormon is a companion to the Bible. We use the King James Version of the Bible as our Bible. We always have. And we use the Book of Mormon as a companion. The title of the Book of Mormon is called The Book of Mormon, Another Testament of Jesus Christ. It says right there in the title that we believe in Jesus Christ, and we believe that He lived here on the earth, that He is our Savior. We totally believe that. If you've ever come to Utah and visited Temple Square, you will see pictures of Christ all over. We even have a big statue in one of the visitor centers of Christ in His resurrected glory. You can see the prints in His hands and wrists and in His feet in this statue. We have several statues around the world of that same pose, showing the resurrected Christ. How can people say we're not Christians when we have Him all over in our church buildings, in our temples, at our visitor centers? And that is really kind of what really drives me crazy about people accusing us of that. We're also been accused of being a cult. Well, hello. Technically, if you think about it, most organized religions are a cult in some form of fashion because they expect their members to follow the teachings that they teach in their church. They expect their members to follow certain lifestyles in their church. So it doesn't matter if you're LDS, if you're Baptist, if you're Catholic, Jewish. In a lot of ways, they are each individually a form of a cult because they expect their members to behave in certain ways. So today I just wanted to expound on that, and I will also be sharing some clips of video of us visiting the Temple Square here in Salt Lake City, Utah, to show you all the evidences that we have pertaining to our belief in Jesus Christ. And hopefully by the time you're done watching this video, you will come to another understanding and a better understanding that yes, we are Christians. And yes, we are a peculiar people. However, we do love and honor our Savior, Jesus Christ. And like most of you out there, you love your Savior, Jesus Christ, as well. And so without further ado, I just wanted to be able to express my feelings on that, and to also just explain to you that the Book of Mormon testifies of Jesus Christ, and that's why we use it. The Bible was talking about Christ's birth, his life on the earth, his death and resurrection in the old Israel and Jerusalem times and that part of the world. The Book of Mormon talks about Christ and his visit to the Americas after his resurrection, and also the witnesses that the people had when he was born, when he was crucified. And it is just a beautiful companion to what we have already learned in the Bible. In fact, in the Bible it says, right in 2 Corinthians chapter 13, verse 1, "In the mouth of 2 or 3 witnesses shall every word be established." And so having the Book of Mormon is another witness to Jesus Christ and his reign here on the earth and his purpose in our life and what he has done for us. So enjoy the video that we will show with clips from the Temple Square, showing all the evidences that we have of Christ and our love for him and how we believe that he loves us and all of us here on the earth. And we hope you have a great Sabbath day. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share with all your friends, click that thumbs up, and we'll see you another time. Thank you. Hello roadies, here we are at the Temple Square North Visitor Center, and I wanted to show you all the pictures that prove to you that we do believe in Jesus Christ and that we are Christians. The bottom stairs lobby depicts Christ's birth in this picture. And then as you continue down the hallway and down the wall, you see Christ's life. That's when he was in the temple preaching to the prophets there. And as you come along this way, that's him getting baptized in the River Jordan by John the Baptist. And as you continue along, this is him recruiting his apostles, telling them to be fishers of men. Then as you continue down the wall, here's this picture. This is when he's teaching the people about the Beatitudes and to love one another and to be kind, and that they can be saved.
Mom,
Summer, what?
I'm done.
You're done?
Yes.
Well, not yet. And then here's this one. Christ's triumphant return on the back of a donkey. You read that in the Bible. We depict it here in this picture. This is just before his crucifixion. And as we continue down, here's him praying in Gethsemane, where he took upon the sins of the world. People like to say in other religions that he took the sins of the world on the cross. No, he did it in Gethsemane before he went to the cross. Took upon all the sins of the entire world that would ever be on this earth. And that's what we call the atonement. And as you continue down this way, here he is being crucified.
Mom,
Yes, dear.
I want to pause.
Okay. So I guess I will have to pause here for a minute. I will return. See, and as you can see here is Christ appearing to Mary Magdalene at the tomb when he resurrected. This is him appearing to his apostles, showing him the marks in his hands and feet, proving that he was resurrected.
Here he is, appearing to other people of the earth. As if you'll remember, he made the quote, "Other sheep I have not of this fold, and I must go see them," basically in those words, but, not perfect quote. And then here is this picture. When he descended back into heaven, the angels came and told them to fear not, and to be pleased that he is now with the Father in heaven again, and that he will someday return. And that's what we all look forward to, is the second coming of Christ. Here we are at the statue of Christ that we call the Christus. And as I walk closer, you'll be able to see the marks in his hands and his feet, depicting the resurrected Christ. And if you look closer up there on his chest, you can also see the mark of his chest, where the soldier put the sword in to make sure that he really truly was dead. And as we come below, you can see the marks in his feet. The mural that you see on the walls behind him is all hand painted, and it surrounds the entire room. It's beautiful. And as I spin around, you'll see the big viewing window. I don't know if it'll show. That rounded dome roof you see is the tabernacle. Papa and Summer being silly. Summer, are you going to say hi to the roadies? What do you think of Jesus? Do you like that statue?
I want a picture.
Okay, we'll get a picture in a minute. You'll see the spires of the temple outside this window. Very beautiful. Summer wanted a picture by Jesus. Papa, it is okay to stand by her. Stand by her, please. I'm going to come in closer so you can see the cutie faces of my family. Summer, smile.